Proprioception, it's your body's position in space, and it is hugely important. This is literally all through your nervous system, and it changes the gait, it changes how you're walking. So your body's position in space is taken through by the nervous system. And if you have altered proprioception or altered stimulus up to the brain, that's going to have altered brain function. So movement directly equates to brain function. Healthy brain function or unhealthy brain function. This is why we do posture analysis, x-rays, everything. So if we see a change in posture, that means you have a change in proprioception, or that alteration of stimulus up to the brain. So you've got to clear that proprioception and get a symmetrical stimulus that can give symmetrical stimulus to the brain, and in actually changing proprioception can change brain function. This is why movement is incredibly important to your physiology. You change the input to the brain, you're also changing how your body regulates blood pressure, how your body regulates digestion, everything. Proprioception is the most important aspect that your body has, and it's not just your position in space, but it shows you how to adapt.